Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Research in the region's blue economy is getting a boost in investment through the establishment of the Caribbean Center for Oceanography and the Blue Economy. The center is to be established by the St. August at the UWI Five Islands campus in Antigua and Barbuda. An MOU was signed today with the National Baking Company Foundation to the tune of $130,000 or roughly 20 million Jamaican dollars. Principal of the campus, Professor Denzel Williams, says the center is crucial to specific sectors.
Our ocean has significant potential in terms of just the amount and the size of what we have. Now, as you know, globally, the blue economy is estimated to be able to generate at least $3 trillion worth of business from things to do with, ocean tourism, fisheries, ocean entrepreneurship, things to do with your flora, your fauna, all those kinds of things. Now, with a $3 trillion industry, the Caribbean can start to look at even taking out 10% of that because we are known as an ocean space.
Professor Williams says growing the blue economy in the region will require ministerial focus.
If we're going to be serious about using this as a new sector for growth, we have to give greater prominence to the sector. We have to give greater prominence to the ocean. We have to give greater prominence to the blue economy. We have to give greater prominence to these kinds of issues. And so having an institutional framework like a ministry that is overseeing directly these kinds of things would bode very well for the confidence that it will actually engender that, yes, this is a new sector that we're actually focusing on. So I think
Sagicor Group has announced plans to create a special loan facility for poultry farmers. Chief Executive Officer of the bank, Shorville Johnson Cunningham, made the announcement recently at its Let's Talk Business virtual conference.
Jamaicans love the fried chicken, right? So we have a poultry loan coming down the pipeline. But the other things, we don't really want to mention all of them here, but for SMEs, we definitely have that coming on stream. And I know Mike will also say that we're having further training in our Sagicor Small Business Resource Center. So the expectation is that we'll hear more on those two projects in short order.
It's costing an average $154.79 for the U.S. currency. $120.88 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $202.82 for the pound. The euro is trading at $168.27. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 608 points today, while the junior market index declined by 130 points. Among the winners, First Rock Capital Holdings, Tropical Battery, Iron Rock Insurance, Mayberry Investments, and Epley 7.50% preference shares due 2024. On the losing side were Dolphin Cove, 138 Student Living, Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Palace Amusement, Fesco Ordinary Shares, and Fontana. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.